Hi there, teachers. This is Brad Windhorst bringing you another tutorial. I forgot to mention this today during our meeting with Mr. Rich this morning, but there is a new feature that is in Google Classroom. One of the perks about Google is they do try to update things to fit the needs of everybody, and with us having this specific pandemic and everybody going online, one of the features they added was specific Google Hangout Meet links to each individual Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you how to turn on the Google Meets link for all your students to access. Now, the reason why we want to do it this way is if you don't have this option turned on, you would have to invite and email all the students as a group. The problem with that is if they forward that email to another person and so forth, and all of a sudden now this link gets passed around. The other reason why is it also has to generate a new link each time. Well, if you turn this on in Google Classroom, you will not have to generate a new link, and you can actually just tell the student at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, whenever you may have it scheduled, to go and click this link. So let me show you how to access this. The first thing you want to do is go to your Google Classroom. So here I am in Gmail. I'm going to go to the 3x3 square in the top right corner, and I'm going to go to Google Classroom. When I go into Google Classroom, I'm going to go to a specific classroom. I'm just going to go to my Physics 3A course. Now, you can see it's already listed here because I've turned it on. It says Meet Link. All the student has to do is click on this link, and it will instantly open up the Google Hangout Meet that they can go and join. This Meet will be the same link every single time that you decide to have them meet together. So that is the perk. They can always just go right underneath Physics, Class Code, Meet Link, and just literally click on this link. So let me show you how to turn this on. So let me go to a Google Classroom here that does not have it. Physics, Physical Science 4A. You notice that the Meet is not turned on yet. Okay, so what you have to do is go all the way to the right, go to the gear, that is Settings, and all you have to do is scroll down a little bit. There's the class details, the general information, and right here is the Google Meet. Now the first thing you need to do is actually generate the Meet link. So click on Generate Meet Link. And then it has this option to make the link visible to students. It's defaulted to turn on. Maybe you want this turned off during the week until Friday. You can turn it off and they won't be able to see it. For now, I'm going to turn it on. The last thing you have to do, as weird as it sounds, is hit that save button in the top right corner. Once you hit save, it will take that link and generate the Meet link every single time. So now you can either, if you want to, either copy the link address and then go into an email, compose it, and paste it in there. Say you need to send it to a specific teacher, you could do it that way as well. But instead of you sending out a bunch of emails, all you have to do is tell your students at 2 o'clock, go to our Google Classroom, Physical Science 4A, click on Meet Link, and now all of a sudden they will be part of your Google Meet and go from there. That link will always be the same until you decide to create a new classroom or until that classroom goes away. So I hope this is helpful, and this will be easy. If you have to go and meet with individuals, they can do it this way as well. You can also set up a time. Say you have instructions, and if anybody needs guided practice or needs any more information, I will be in our Google Meet for our classroom from like 5 to 5:30. A lot of options there that you can use. I hope this helps you out for future use of Google Classroom.